Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, take a moment to clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your laptop, so this step is crucial. Now, focus on the LCD cover. Inspect it for any cracks or damage. If you find any, you will need to replace the LCD cover. To do this, locate the screws securing the LCD assembly. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD assembly away from the laptop. Be careful with the display cables connected to the motherboard. Disconnect these cables by gently pulling them out of their connectors. With the old LCD cover removed, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Reconnect the display cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are securely in place. If you need assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure of the repairs needed. Next, secure the LCD assembly back into the laptop by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any future issues. Finally, replace the back panel of the laptop, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. If you prefer to have a quote before repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Check to see if the LCD cover is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without leaving your home. And there you have it. You've successfully repaired the LCD cover on your HP 15seq1018ns. This process not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Happy repairing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.